Hello guys, this is Syed from RVH giveaway today. I'll be giving away this iPhone 8 to one of our subscriber as soon as we reach 100k views. It's a brand new iPhone with box and all accessories. You can see this. We select the winner randomly worldwide. This is real giveaway and we have already given more than 15 iPhones so far. You can see the winners list on our Instagram page. Okay, let's start. What you're gonna do, just follow 3 simple steps to win this iPhone. 1. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. 2. Like this video and comment down. 3. And last, like our Instagram page where we announce the winner name. Don't worry, if you don't have the Instagram, just keep eye on it. Instagram link is in the description. If you help us promoting our channel, we'll give you an AirPod for free.